Hi everyone, this is Hope, and today I want to talk about a really unique project called Matrix. So in this video, we will learn what Matrix project is all about, learn about this project features, and why you should invest into Matrix. But before we dive into the project, if you enjoyed this content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more updates on crypto projects. Also join my free Telegram group via the link in the first comment below. So first of all, let's learn what Matrix project is all about. So we have Matrix. Create infinitive possibilities, Web3 cultural entertainment, platform and infrastructure. Also, if we scroll down, we have accelerate the application of blockchain technology in the field of gaming. And to understand this project even better, let's jump to this project white paper. So Matrix is an innovative cultural and entertainment platform combining Web3, artificial intelligence, and esport. Its purpose is to bring revolution in technological innovation to the global game and digital content industry via blockchain and AI technology. Overall, their most important thing is to provide valuable products and assets. So I think the Matrix project has an amazing idea because Web3, artificial intelligence, and esport are extremely popular worldwide, especially in the crypto space. As a result, they already have a potentially large audience of supporters due to the niche they have chosen for the Matrix project. And actually, to know even more about this project, I would like to check this project platform. So as you can probably understand, this is a wide profile project, meaning they have on this white paper presented all the most important parts. For example, game, esports, we have IP and creation economy, we have AI, we have blockchain infrastructure, and we have Max. So I definitely recommend you to check all the information presented here and do your own research after watching my video. But let's quickly get back to the website. So if we scroll down, we can see ecosystem, best platform, best content, robust infrastructure, and top community. And actually here we have several games. So the next generation 3A idle RPG plus regular game set in a fantasy cat hole universe ready to go live. Next up, we have Matrix Fire, the #1 FPS mobile game in the metaverse, and then the first Web3 cyberpunk battle royale mobile game, Who is the Last Survivor. And next up, we have NFTs, Matrix NFTs ecosystem built on a strategic triangle of gaming, esport, and co-creator economy. So here we can see several NFTs. They look really amazing. And actually, this project has Apollo program just for NFTs. So Apollo program, case opening airdrop event, 50 million max and exclusive souvenir NFTs. And actually, if you're super into NFTs and also gaming, then I definitely recommend you to read this amazing article about Apollo program. I will leave the link in the description so you can find it after watching my video. And actually, if you want to trade weapon skin NFTs, you can check this Matrix page. I also will leave the link in the description. And the market value for rare weapons is extremely amazing here. So also again, definitely recommend you to check this page out. So this is it for the NFTs. Then we have some influencers and then the investors. So we can see some big names on their partner list. For example, BitGet, BinX, Bybit, we have Husky, Amber, Unity, Google Cloud. So really loads of different big names. And I always say the more known names you have in your partner list, the more trustful the project looks. So I really like how much serious investors this project has. And lastly, we have the social media. So let's check Twitter and Telegram. So as I said, this project has really big community supporting this project. And actually here they present all the biggest updates, all the news, all the games, all like basically influencers, like everything you need to know and all the biggest updates. So I definitely recommend you to follow them on Twitter and also on their Telegram. They have almost 69,000 members. So basically click all the buttons and follow them on all the social media. And now it's the time to talk about this project tokens. Yes, not one token, but 2 tokens. So let's go back to their white paper and go to tokenomics section. So let's get back to their white paper and click this tokenomics section and choose this token model. So currently we plan to issue 2 ERC20 tokens, governance token Max and game token Fire. Max token is not only the governance token for Matrix Matrix Fire, but also the governance token for other game products on Matrix platform. Fire token is the game token of Matrix Fire. In the future, each game on the Matrix platform will dedicate whether to release its own game tokens according to its needs. So yeah guys, this project have 2 tokens, and actually Fire token is already launched. So let's learn a little bit more about this token. And here you can find all the information about this token, but actually as this token is launched, I would like to check the token charts. So everything looks pretty great, and actually Fire token was launched on February 1st on KuCoin, Bybit, BitGet and BinX. And actually this token right now has $42.8 million market cap, and actually right now I'm checking 24-hour chart, but if we check maximum, we can see that this chart looks extremely interesting but also good. Why I say interesting? Because it's really normal to have ups and downs in crypto space, because it probably depends on the market conditions. But as we can see right now, we are a little bit in the dump phase right now, and now it's the time actually to invest, because you can see we had several downs and then we reached new all-time highs. Here we have also down, and this was the new all-time high. So now actually I think it's really great time to invest, because probably it will get up again. But as always, this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing. And next up, I want to talk about MAX token. So we are waiting for MAX token TGI because it's coming soon. MAX value is $35 per token on OTC. By comparing the data of various dimensions of Matrix with other well-known gamified projects such as Pixel, Knot, and Gala, we can analyze Matrix's current situation in the market and its future development potential. Pixel and Gala have similar FDS, high supply, and low token prices, indicating stable market performance. However, Gala attracts many users with multiple games. Knot, with a large supply, aims to introduce users to Web3 throughout simple games, possibly leading the market volatility. Matrix Fire, despite its low market cap and FDFs, has a high token price and limited supply, indicating growth potential. It combines games, NFTs, and community interactions into a Web3 platform, attracting many users and investors. The active community and rapid user growth suggest strong market expectations for its future developments. And actually, one more thing I want to mention about MAX token is their tokenomics. So the tokenomics of Matrix platform ensures growth, sustainability, and proper incentives for all stakeholders, fostering a thriving ecosystem. The total token supply is one with a lot of zeros, MAX tokens. And we can see platform contribution is 27.6%, ecosystem 16%, community 10%, NFT airdrop 9.4%, early bird activity 5.5%, team and investors 30%, and advisors 1.5%. And MAX key utilities: community governance, participation, ecosystem value capture, participation rights, staking and rewards, governance decisions. And they say stay tuned for more updates. Actually, for me, interesting part is that team and investors got pretty big percentage, but maybe they have a plan and they will explain everything later in their white paper. And I really like that 10% goes to community. And lastly, I want to talk about ongoing event on Matrix project. Celebrate 1.8 million downloads with Matrix Fire and share 2 win awesome prize. Event duration: so the event started July 10 and it will end on July 24th. So the prizes are really amazing, because first place gets $400 and choose one: Xiaomi TV or Sony PS5 PlayStation or iPad. Then second place get $200 and TP-Link. Third place get $30 and Logitech, and fourth place get $10 and get 5 Pioneer cases, 5 Fire, or 1 month virtual platform membership like Spotify Premium or PlayStation Plus. And here they present the information how to join the fun, and then judging criterias. And basically, yeah, you can read all the information about this ongoing event, and I definitely recommend you to participate and win these amazing prizes. So guys, I think this project looks extremely bullish, and I definitely believe that both tokens will have new all-time highs. So don't wait too long and invest now into this project. But as always, this is not a financial advice. Check out all the links in the description below to explore further. If you have any questions about Matrix or anything else related to crypto, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting crypto content and join my free Telegram group. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.